Hello and welcome to my presentation on 5 psychological tricks to attract a girl. I understand what you're thinking. You're expecting a bunch of tacky pickup lines and prepared routines. But I'm here to tell you that it isn't the case. The psychology of attraction is far more complicated than that. There are a few basic tactics you can employ to improve your chances of attracting the girl of your dreams. Without further ado, here are 5 psychological tactics for attracting a girl. 1. Demonstrate self-assurance. One of the most appealing attributes a man can have is confidence. When you exude confidence, you convey a message that you are a capable and desirable individual. 2. Showcase an interest. Make eye contact, smile, and inquire. Demonstrate to her that you care about her as a person, not just as a prospective romance companion. 3. Reflect her body language. This is a subtle method of communicating that you're on the same wavelength. She will feel more connected to you if you match her body language. 4. Randomly compliment her. But don't overdo that. A sincere compliment can go a long way. 5. Make her smile. Everyone enjoys a good laugh. You'll be creating a positive and playful environment if you can make her laugh. Conclusion. That's all there is to it. These are the top 5 psychological methods for attracting a female. Of course, these are only a few suggestions. The most essential thing is to be yourself and to have confidence in yourself. You'll be well on your way to attracting the girl of your dreams if you can achieve that. Thank you for taking the time to listen. I hope you found this discussion useful. Please contact me if you have any questions.